Using AI to scrape the internet is one of the most powerful features out there if used correctly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set this up for yourself. It's super easy, super straightforward to get set up and to use. So let me show you exactly how to do it in as little time as possible, and then show you some of the incredible use cases that you can actually use this for within Claude Cowork. So to do this, we're going to use a tool called Apify. Get real-time web data for your AI. This is the most popular and the best web scraping tool out there right now. So Apify actors scrape up-to-date web data from any website for AI apps and agents, social media monitoring, competitive intelligence, lead generation, and product research. And you can browse over 19,000 actors and basically get any information that you would want. So if you open up the Claude desktop app on your computer and you go into Cowork, and you look in the top left corner, you click on this customize option, you have all of the connectors. So this is where you can connect any sort of tool like Gmail, Google Calendar, etc. But if you go on this plus button, click browse connectors and search for Apify, you can see this Apify MCP server option. So what you want to go ahead and do is click onto this, click install. I already have it installed obviously, but just click install, then click enable after you install it. Then you need to just configure it to add your own API key. Apify is super straightforward and it's super cheap to get started with because they actually have a free plan which gives you $5 of free usage for Apify, which actually goes a long way. I've been using this a bit today and I've spent less than $1 in total usage so far. I personally have the starter plan, but if you just want to get set up super easily without having to pay anything, just get the free plan and you'll be good to go. Then once you log in to your dashboard, this is what it will look like. So here you can see all of the most recent tasks that you've done. So this is what I did earlier today. In the bottom left, you can see your total usage, $29 for this month. That's what comes with the starter subscription. If you get the free one, you will have $5 of usage for the month. But then after that is used up, you can still continue to use it. You just need to pay separately per task you do basically, unless you upgrade your subscription. But right here in the dashboard, just go down to settings, head over to API and integrations, and here you can see your personal API keys. So I just went ahead and created a new token, just called it Claude Cowork. That will give you a new API key. You can set usage limits for the specific API key or time limits when it will shut off. But basically once you create it, just copy this API key, go back to Claude Cowork and paste it right in here, then click save and you are good to go. Then you have some different tool permissions down here. I just changed everything to always allow. But once you've done this, you can now go ahead and scrape any information of the internet that you would want. So for example, something I can do is use the Apify MCP server connector to find 5 HVAC ventilation or electrician companies based in Oslo, Norway that don't have a website on their Google Maps. Let's say you're a marketing company or you help build websites specifically targeted to like construction companies or electrician companies. And since I'm Norwegian, I'm using Oslo, Norway for this example. This is a super interesting use case. Just click let's go. It will automatically find the Apify connector. As you can see, it found the Apify connector itself and added it in the context. So now it's using that connector and it goes ahead and scrapes Google Maps data. So it said, now I have everything I need. I'll run the Google Maps scraper searching for HVAC, ventilation, and electrician companies in Oslo, Norway, filtered to only return places without a website. Let me run this now. And there you go. It probably ran for like 4 or 5 minutes in total, but I didn't have to intervene at all. And it then just went ahead and said, here are 5 HVAC, ventilation, and electrician companies in Oslo, Norway that have no website on their Google Maps listing. And it sent me all of the details for these 5 companies. All 5 of these businesses have no websites listed on their Google Maps profile and marked as unclaimed. Claim this business is available. This makes them strong potential leads if you're offering a web design or digital marketing services, for example. Would you like me to save this to a spreadsheet, etc.? This is a great example of how you can use this feature. Now, to level this up even further, Claude Cowork recently also added scheduled tasks. So what I could go ahead and do is just do hashtag schedule, and I could just write, make this a recurring task that automatically happens at 8 a.m. every day. Then just paste it in the same prompt. If I say that to Claude Cowork, let's see what it says. It then created this scheduled task where it will find 5 new companies like this every single morning for me to look at. So if I had a marketing company or I was creating websites for companies like this is super, super powerful. You can just obviously tell Cowork to not add any of the same companies that you've added before. I can just go ahead and now schedule this task. And if I go up here to my scheduled tasks, you can see that this is now added right here. And you can literally do this for anything. If you're a content creator, you can daily or weekly scrape any posts from your competitors and then kind of repurpose that into your own ideas and videos. There are so many powerful use cases for this. Claude Cowork by itself is amazing, but if you connect it to certain tools and websites like Apify, you utilize scheduled tasks, you utilize Claude skills and Claude plugins like I talked about in my previous video, it becomes super, super powerful. Now, we did just recently launch our Skool community where we do have a full mini course on Claude Cowork and a full in-depth beginner's course to Claude Code. Plus, we give away a full starter repo with 100+ pre-built agents, skills, and workflows. We do weekly calls and just keep you posted on any new tools, features, and models that comes out in this space, because things are changing super quickly. So you definitely want to stay up to date to make sure you're ahead of the curve at all times. But if you have any questions at all about Apify, about general web scraping with AI, about Claude Cowork, Claude Code, or anything AI related, you can always ask down below in the comment section or in our Skool community. You can just DM us on Skool. Also, let me know what you want to see next on our channel in the comments down below. If you found any value in this video and want to stay up to date with everything going on in AI right now, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. Would be highly appreciated. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.